Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ClickFunnels with ActiveCampaign. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the ClickFunnels website and go to the left panel and click on Workspace Settings. All right, just click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, in here, we have integrations. Just click on it. All right, if you want to make your life easier, make sure to open up a new tab and log in with your ActiveCampaign account. As you can see here, I have both ActiveCampaign and ClickFunnels open so that the integration is seamless. All right. So in here under ClickFunnels, just go ahead and look for ActiveCampaign. Like so, click on it. Now there'll be a pop-up. Now it says here, it will be needing our URL plus API key. So to find it is just by going to your ActiveCampaign right here, left panel, click on Settings at the bottom left, click on it. Now go ahead over to Developer. Okay, just click on Developer, and in here you have the API access that includes the URL and the API key. Just copy, go back to the pop-up right here, paste. Now copy the key, copy, again the pop-up, paste, and just hit on Proceed. And wait for your ClickFunnels right here to refresh. As you can see, ActiveCampaign is now connected. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.